Your ideas are endless, as many as the stars in the universe. With all that opportunity and vision, who has time to move slow? With AlgoKit 3.0, you can build, test, deploy, and scale decentralized applications faster than ever before. Program in Python and TypeScript. Automate key processes. Easily implement key functions. Test in a controlled setting. Fix bugs faster. And when your development process accelerates, you can focus on innovating. No matter the challenge, no matter the industry, no matter the scale. Unleash the power of instant finality, consistently high throughput, low fees. Ready for a decentralized future. Discover the performance your app needs with the dev toolkit you deserve. AlgoKit 3.0 is here.